There's nothing worse than beginning a meeting with introductions that seem to drag on and on. We've got a better way. Using haiku to build an elevator pitch, you'll get everyone on the same page, sharing what they do in a fraction of the time that introductions normally go. Here's how it works. You ask 3 questions. 1 is, whom do I serve? The second is, what do I do for them? The third is, why does it matter? But here's the rub. Just like haiku is a Japanese form of poetry that constrains the number of syllables you can use, 575, we do the same with words. So whom do I serve has to be answered in exactly 5 words. What do I do for them? In exactly 7. Why does it matter? Again, in exactly 5. Some things that we find when people try to cheat at this exercise, if you use an ampersand and you say the word and, when you read it, it counts as a word. You hyphenate a word together. If it's not commonly hyphenated, it doesn't count as one. You can't magically glue words together with slashes or dashes. And probably most importantly, if you use an acronym, unless the entire room understands it, it doesn't count as one word. And so by using the Haiku-ish 575, you go around the room rather quickly, you learn about everybody's purpose, what they do, why they do it, and you get done with introductions in a fraction of a time than you would without it.